In this tutorial, we'll learn how to create an inner courtyard in Live Home 3D. Let's start with the basics. When you draw a closed wall outline inside another contour using the Room tool, the program recognizes both areas as interior spaces. You can clearly see this in the 3D view. But our goal here is to make the central area open to the sky. By default, Live Home 3D automatically generates an auto floor and an auto ceiling for any closed wall contour, no matter how interior walls are arranged. To open up the ceiling above the courtyard, we'll need to make a change. Select the Ceiling Opening Rect Tool and draw a rectangle that matches the inner wall contour exactly. If you need to fine-tune the position of the opening, drag one of its handles until it snaps neatly to the wall. Switch to the 3D view and you'll see that the ceiling is gone. But there's one more step. Notice that the surrounding walls are still evenly lit. That's because sunlight isn't reaching this space yet, even though we can see the sky. To complete the creation of the ceiling opening, we need to add a new story above the current one. Go to the Building Properties tab in the inspector, then to the Stories section, and choose Add Story Above Current. Since we don't need any walls or ceilings on this new story, use the Delete button on the toolbar to remove them. Now the courtyard looks just right. We can see the sky above and natural sunlight casts realistic shadows inside the space. What you do next depends on your project. But before we finish, here's one more tip. Notice the strips along the walls? Those are mouldings, which are added automatically to interior walls. Since these walls are now exterior, it's best to disable their mouldings in the inspector. And that's it. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that it inspires your next design in Live Home 3D.